So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqastech. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix unable to install iOS 16.3 beta 2 on any iPhone or iPad. So without wasting any time, let's start video. A lot of iPhone user facing that problem on their update when they try to update iOS 16.2 beta 3 on their iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's start video. There are few reasons to appears that error on your iPhone. Let's start video and how to fix that. Firstly, move to the step 1. Step 1 is open your iPhone setting. In setting, you need to tap on general. Okay, after tapping the general, you can see appears on screen. Here are showing iPhone storage. Open it. Okay, make sure you have enough space to install iOS 16.3 beta 2 in your iPhone. If you don't have any space in your iPhone, just make some space to your iPhone and then try to install. Hope you will easily fix that issue. Now move to the next solution. The next solution is check your internet connection. Make sure you have connected with strong Wi-Fi or cellular data. To check that, open Safari browser and search here anything. Okay, you can see appears on screen iPhone internet connection working well. Okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the next one. The next one is open your iPhone setting, tap on general, scroll down, you can see appears on screen transfer or reset. Tap on that, tap on reset. Okay, reset all setting and then done that. Okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the next one. The next one is turn off your iPhone and then turn on after 5 to 10 seconds and then try to install iOS 16.3 beta 2 on your iPhone or iPad. Okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the next one. The next one is force to restart your iPhone. It's dependent on you that which model you are using. Just force to restart your iPhone and then try to install iOS 16.3 beta 2 on your iPhone. So friends, by doing that simple step, you can easily install iOS 16.3 beta 2 on your iPhone and as well as iPad. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.